Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are making over another thrift store table. I couldn't pass this one up because it looked like it came right out of Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or technique, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over a Caesar's Palace thrift store table. Keep spraying on colors until you get the effect you want. It's as easy as that. Just start off with the lighter colors first and layer the darker colors as you go up. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week.